As a pool renovation company, you're probably relying on word-of-mouth referrals and your reputation to bring in clients. But let's be real, times have changed. We're in a digital era where attention is currency and everyone's glued to their phones. If your name isn't coming up online, you're practically invisible to a whole segment of your market. You could be leaving thousands of dollars on the table just because you haven't adapted to how people make decisions today. And in an industry this competitive, that's not a risk you can afford to take. I'm Benita Devadas, CEO at Cofluency.co. For nearly a decade, we've been dedicated to transforming businesses, not just in revenue, but in mindset, strategy, and results. We specialize in helping pool renovation companies elevate their game and tap into the clients they're missing online. Here's the truth. Relying on referrals and word of mouth alone isn't enough in today's digital landscape. If you want to stand out, you need a strategy that's as resilient as the pools you build. One rooted in reality, designed to grow your business in ways that last. Our mission isn't to sell you illusions or pipe dreams. We know the grit it takes to scale, and we're here to bring you a plan that actually works, backed by real results. This is about more than just profit. It's about creating a legacy in a competitive market. It's about cutting through the noise and zeroing in on what actually moves the needle for your business. So if you're done with shortcuts and ready to invest in sustainable, meaningful growth, you're exactly where you need to be. So, with no further ado, let's dive in. First things first, SEO. Your key to getting found online. Now, here's the thing. When you're searching for something on Google, you likely type in pool renovation near me or best pool renovator. I know I'm guilty of it, and I'm sure you are too. We're all looking for fast, reliable solutions, and if you're not appearing on the first page of results, you're missing out on a handful of ready-to-buy clients. We've studied how leads behave, and here's the reality. When someone searches for pool renovation, they're only looking at the first 5 to 10 companies that show up. If you're not in that top 5, you're invisible. And when you're invisible, you miss out on leads who are ready to book a pool renovation. That's why SEO is so crucial. It puts you in front of more people actively searching for the services you provide, helping you become the first choice for homeowners in your area. We'll make sure your website ranks high on Google, so your business is always visible and your leads are ready to call you. Moving on, Facebook ads that reach the right people. Let's be honest, Facebook ads are one of the quickest ways to scale your business, but only if you're targeting the right people. Many pool companies throw money at Facebook ads without a clear strategy, and that's why they get nowhere. We'll create laser-focused ads that target homeowners actively looking for pool renovations. No wasted ad spend here. We'll make sure every dollar is spent reaching the right people. The outcome? You'll see qualified leads reaching out to you consistently, and you won't have to chase them down. With the right ads, Facebook will become a lead generation machine that fills your pipeline with high-quality prospects ready to start their projects all year round. Next up, Google Ads. Get ready to buy leads. Google Ads isn't about driving random traffic. It's about driving traffic that's already looking for exactly what you offer. When someone searches best pool renovation near me, you need to be the first company they see. We'll set up Google Ads to target homeowners who are actively looking for pool renovation services, right when they're ready to make a decision. This isn't about casting a wide net and hoping for the best. It's about positioning you in front of homeowners at the exact moment they're ready to take action. The result? A steady stream of high-intent clients visiting your website, requesting quotes, and scheduling consultations. Fourth in line, content creation. How you become the expert homeowners trust in today's world. Content is what separates the winners from the losers. Homeowners want to work with experts, and if you're not providing valuable content like blog posts, social media updates, or videos, someone else will. We'll create high-value content that positions you as the go-to authority in pool renovations. No fluff, just solid content that educates and builds trust. The result? You'll establish yourself as the expert in your market. Homeowners will think of you first when they're ready to start their pool project because they already see you as the leader. Now, let's dive into copywriting, the secret sauce that makes your message stick. Without the right words, everything else we do won't matter. You need messaging that resonates, hooks your audience, and compels them to take action. Our team of expert copywriters will craft compelling and engaging content that speaks directly to your ideal customers. Whether it's your website copy, email outreach, or ads, the right words will make all the difference in turning browsers into buyers. Here's a hard truth. When a lead hits your website and requests a quote, you're probably one of 10 companies they're reaching out to. And let's be honest, those other companies might not be as good as you, but they have one thing you don't: speed. They're often the first to follow up, leaving you out of the running before you even get a chance to respond. This is where our AI bot comes in. It's working 24/7, engaging every lead the moment they reach out. It answers their questions, provides accurate estimates, and even schedules consultations. And the best part? The bot sounds so natural that your leads will think they're talking to a real human. No more missed opportunities, no more leads slipping through the cracks. The AI bot keeps leads engaged, nurtures them through the process, and gets them ready to book with you before your competitors even know they exist. But we don't stop there. We also scrape your existing database of leads, making sure that all your past leads are contacted and re-engaged, bringing fresh opportunities directly to your business. So here's the bottom line. We're not here to offer you fluff or empty promises. We're here to implement a system that works day in and day out. This strategy will put you in front of more high-quality leads, position you as the authority in your market, and allow you to scale your pool renovation business like never before. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, click the link below to book a call with us. But don't wait too long. We only work with a limited number of clients each month to ensure everyone gets the focus they deserve. Spots are filling up fast, so act now to secure your place. With that being said, we are watching from afar, and we're rooting for you. cofluency.co